This old 1923 Franklin Model 10 has been sleeping in my barn for over 40 years now. Time someone brought her back to life. I'm going to restore this 1923 Franklin Model 10 back to her original dark green glory, exactly as she rolled out of the factory.
The amount we agreed on. Thank you. The Franklin will be ready tomorrow.
All right, you're here. Let's get a closer look at this gem. Keep it steady. Good. Just a little further. That's it. Perfect. All right, let's take a look. Yep, definitely needs a full strip. Lots of rot in the rear. This is a big job. The latches are seized up a bit, but we got them. Let's take a look at what we've got in here. Wow, she's got plenty of history inside. All right, let's take this off slowly and preserve the wood. All right, gently releasing the last bolt here. Don't want any scratches. Careful now. Right. Down onto the padded bench. Perfect. I'm just getting these lug nuts loose now. We'll get this spoke wheel off and check the brakes. All right, got it loose. Now look closely at these rusted mounting brackets and corroded frame beneath here. All right, gently now. Yeah. There we go, that's heavy. Yeah. Just need to set it down carefully. All right, pins are out. Careful now. Yep, got the weight. Easy does it. All right, time to remove the dashboard. Got to be careful with these original screws. There we go, nice and slow. Don't want to damage the wood. All right, time for this big fella to come off. Give it some elbow grease. Okay, keep lowering. Got it. Watch the clearance on the exhaust. Chains are secure, ready to lift. All right, tension is good. Bring it up slowly. Just a bit more. Clear. All right, decades of rust on this. Pulling her out now. It's coming loose. Just a bit further. Got it. All right, stubborn one. Get a good grip. Got it? Needs more leverage. Just about there. Hear that? Okay. Yes, breaking free. Carefully. All right, tensioning. Slowly. Clear. Watch that fender. Just right. Good. All right, here we have it, the bare chassis of the 1923 Franklin, perfectly restored and ready for the dark green body shell. We're proud of this one. Every single part of the 1923 Franklin Model 10. We're ready to begin. All right, next up is the cowl vent trim. Be gentle with that one, it's brittle, always. All right, slowly now, don't rush it. Yeah. Just need to find the right angle. There, it's free. All right, let's get this rotted wood out of here. Careful now. There it goes. Look at that rust. All right, time to pull the original harness. Careful, it's brittle. Right. This looks to be the ground wire. And here are the leads for the gauges. Every piece labeled. All right, these bolts are stubborn. Got it. Got it. Careful now. There it is.
Every part accounted for, every detail prepared. This Franklin is ready for its new life.
All right, doors are good. Fender needs a bit of a touch-up here. Rear quarter looks solid. Ready for the wash.
All right, let's get this heavy grime off here. Looking good. The green's finally showing through. Yeah, this is going to be beautiful.
You can see the grime just lifting away from this old paint. This car's seen a lot, but she's going to shine like new.
All right, time to tackle this 1923 Franklin. Watch as this foam disappears to reveal the original green factory paint. All right, moving to the rear panel now. Get all this dirt off the fender.
All right, time to tackle these Franklin wheels.
Yeah.
Just need to be careful with this original wood grain.
Yeah.
There, that's looking much better. Decades of grime.
Getting there.
Just need a little more elbow grease. Looks much better already. All right, that's the final rinse on the Franklin. Looking good.
Significant deterioration here. We'll need to reinforce this section before moving on.
Each of these panels represents the heart of the 1923 Franklin Model 10. They're clean, original, and ready for restoration.
All right, time to tackle this headlamp. There it is. The shine's coming back beautifully.
Getting there, that's better. It's really cleaning up now, almost like new. All right, this old bench seat is ready for a good cleaning. Yeah. Years of dust and grime, but the leather is still there. Yeah. Just have to be gentle with it.
All right, time to tackle this main rail. Years of rust built up here. You can see the grime lifting off that cylinder head. This solvent really does the trick. Yeah. It's all coming together now.
You can see the grain really come alive once you get to the finishing polish on it.
All right, there it is, finally giving way. This rubber is brittle. All right, easy on the left. Got it, slow and steady. Perfect. Set the brake.
The heart of the machine. The pistons are free and the air channels look good. Just another twist to check the rotation and she'll be ready for reassembly.
All right, cylinder head's off, takes a bit of muscle, but she's moving now.
Wow.
Look at those valves and springs, just as expected. A lot of cleaning to do here.
All right, decades of carbon buildup are putting up a fight. Slowly but surely. There she goes. All right, seated, nice and smooth. Looks good.
All right, cylinder head is seated. Time to get this torque down properly. Applying the period-correct gloss black to this 1923 Franklin engine. Precision is key here. You want to get every bit of grit out, especially on a transmission this old. Just a little grease here, make sure it spins free.
All right, let's get this rust off this beautiful Franklin fender.
You can see the dark green just peeling away here, getting down to that original steel. I've got to hit this corner just right. Feeling good, it's getting smooth now. All right, that'll protect the inside from the primer. Let's get the next section.
The gray etching primer is going on perfectly, just the right viscosity for this 1923 Franklin. It adheres. The iconic fenders of the 1923 Franklin Model 10 are now perfectly primed and ready for the next step of restoration. The 23 Franklin paint is exceptionally deep, almost black. That's why the original swatch is critical. Just a bit more catalyst, and we're dialed in.
All right, first pass coming down the side here. Keep it nice and even.
Looks good.
Yeah, getting that gloss right where we need it. The final pass, just got to make sure we get this perfect. Looking good. All right, let's bring this beautiful hood back to life. Watch the reflection sharpen right up. The paintwork on this 1923 Franklin is coming along beautifully. Almost done. All right, time to seat this perfectly. There she goes. Perfect fit. Perfect, she's balanced. Let's get these back on.
You see, it's all about precision.
The perfect period cream for this 23 Franklin. Each stroke matters.
The mechanical restoration is now complete. Every component is rebuilt, ready for assembly onto this immaculate dark green body.
Keep it slow. A little more. Perfect. Looks great. All right, here we go. Back where it belongs. Careful now. Yep, that's it. Perfect. Home sweet home.
All right, slow and steady. Just a little further. Got it. Perfect fit.
All right, this is the final piece for the passenger side. See how it just fits right into place? It's got that perfect varnished look, matches the rest of the car. All right, let's get this perfectly in place. Easy does it, mate.
All right, just like she's supposed to. Another one back on the road.
All right, just like she's supposed to. Perfection. All right, time to secure this beauty in place. Just a few more bolts. All right, just like she's supposed to be. Precision is key with these original brass lamps. Aligning it just right and secure with the correct fastener. A few turns here, solid, perfect. Looks perfect, the brass is gleaming. Just a little tightening. Absolutely beautiful, a masterpiece. All right, let's get this beauty mounted. Just need to get the first one on. Perfect. Now, to torque it down. Stand up. All right, perfect fit, good as new.
Perfect fit. The finishing touch on a true classic.
All right, time for the cowl lamps. Just have to make sure it sits perfectly. There, looks good. Yep, that's just right. All right, time for the final pass. This wax really brings out the deep green. Just need to make sure every speck is gone for that perfect mirror finish. All right, come on, you can do it.
All right, that's right straight.
Just one more time.
This is it, the finest restoration of a Franklin Model 10 I've ever seen. We're proud of this one.
All right, perfect. Looks like she's ready. Wow, it really is beautiful. If you enjoyed watching this 1923 Franklin Model 10 come back to life in dark green glory, hit that subscribe button and join us on the next restoration journey.
America's lost legend is alive again. Thank you for being part of bringing this 1923 Franklin Model 10 back home. See you in the next build.